Current and voltage tap for the 95mm high current through terminal block from WAGO. You can insert the current and voltage tap into the jumper slot of the high current through terminal block quickly and easily. After installing the tap, the high current through terminal block can be opened and the conductor connected. The voltage is tapped via a redundant connecting terminal. Downstream measuring devices are protected against overload by an integrated fuse. The 5-pin connection allows installation of a short circuit bridge to the current transformer directly. A measuring instrument can also be connected in parallel. The current can be measured after removing the short circuit bridge. The continuous marking strip, or WMB multi-marking system, gives you an overview in the switch cabinet.